Imagine this. Half of people over 50 are worried they'll outlive their savings. Are you one of them? Rising costs, unexpected medical bills, and market uncertainties can make a secure retirement feel like an impossible dream. But it doesn't have to be. Would you like to take a quiz to see how prepared you are for retirement? It can help you identify areas where you might need to focus more and give you peace of mind. Let's get started. What percentage of people over 50 are worried about outliving their savings? A. 25%, B. 50%, C. 75%, D. 90%.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer. B. 50%. Studies show that half of people over 50 worry about running out of money in retirement, highlighting how common this concern is. Which factor is not a common retirement challenge? A. Rising costs. B. Unexpected medical bills. C. Stable, predictable income. D. Market uncertainties.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer. C. Stable, predictable income. Stable income is the goal, but rising costs, medical bills, and market shifts are the real challenges. What is a key to overcoming financial insecurity? A. Winning the lottery. B. Taking small, consistent actions. C. Saving only when you have extra money. D. Ignoring the problem and hoping for the best.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer. B. Taking small, consistent actions. Small, steady steps build momentum and create long-term financial changes. Why do many people feel retirement is slipping away? A. They have too much saved. B. They don't plan vacations. C. Rising costs and uncertainties make saving harder. D. They work too little.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer. C. Rising costs and uncertainties make saving harder. Many feel overwhelmed because financial pressures increase while savings feel insufficient. What's the first step to achieving financial freedom? A. Ignoring expenses. B. Educating yourself and taking action. C. Working until 80. D. Borrowing from retirement funds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer. B. Educating yourself and taking action. Financial freedom starts with knowledge and taking meaningful steps toward your goals. Don't let financial stress steal your future. Take the first step today. Discover the simple strategies that helped me turn insecurity into financial freedom. Visit my website in the description to learn how you can do the same.